Welcome to the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. The Jeep Wrangler is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at from the driver's seat of the Jeep Wrangler, power windows, locks, doors, leather-wrapped steering wheel as well, 80,399 kilometers, Alpine audio system throughout the Jeep. You have the large touchscreen, your power windows there, of course, when the doors are off. You don't need them on the doors. You have single zone climate control, two-stage heated seats for the front driver and passenger, power mirrors. You have your all-wheel drive 4x4 shifter, the mechanical shifter, as well as your drive shifter there, handbrake. Of course, all black interior, the Alpine audio throughout the Jeep, and those beautiful Sahara leather heated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the firecracker red Jeep Wrangler, 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Bridgestone Dueler AT tires. Of course, you got those removable 4 Jeep doors. You have the running boards, trail-rated Sahara Wrangler Unlimited badging. Coming to the front of the Jeep Wrangler, halogen light bulbs, fog lights, color-matched bumper with recovery hooks. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the Jeep, full-size spare, of course, brand new. Recovery hooks, trailer tow pack as well. Jumping into the interior of the Jeep in the second row, that leather 60/40 split. We got 5 seats back here as well. Over top, we have the removable roof as well, dome lighting, lots of room. The 60/40 split for the seats allows you to fold them down nice and quick, making a nice flat surface for the Jeep. This Jeep is equipped with the audio system as well, so you have that all-weather subwoofer in the back. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.